PTZ cameras are versatile and valuable tools for streaming, as they offer remarkable flexibility. But right now, there are plenty of these cameras, and choosing between them can get a little troublesome. Recently, we got our hands on the OBSBOT Tiny 2. This tiny webcam is loaded with exceptional features, which we rarely see on PTZ cameras in this range. We will be unboxing and reviewing it for you guys to help you figure out whether it is worth it. Okay, let's start with unboxing the camera first. As we can see, here's the camera itself. The package also includes a magnetic adjustable mount and a USB 3.0 cable with a USB-A adapter, ensuring that everything we need to get started is right there in the box. All we can say is it definitely lives up to its name. It is tiny and flexible at the same time, which nicely fits any desk setup. It can be mounted on a tripod, on top of the screen, or upside down, depending on your preference. For now, we will be placing it beside our monitor as it seems a more convenient position for us. Now moving on to the internal specs, the OBSBOT Tiny 2 boasts an impressive set of specifications and features that truly set it apart from most PTZ cameras. At the core of its capabilities is its AI-powered PTZ webcam. As we figured out, this is where the camera's intelligence shines. It can automatically track subjects, adjust focus, gesture control, and even respond to voice commands. As someone who values automation, this feature immediately caught our attention. What's even more impressive is that this tiny webcam is capable of recording videos up to 4K resolution, ensuring that our videos are not just clear, but packed with detail. Whether we were streaming, recording, or participating in video conferences, the Tiny 2's video quality was notably great. Besides, the large 1x1.5-inch CMOS sensor is responsible for capturing impressive image quality, even in challenging low-light conditions. This is a significant advantage for streamers like us who often find themselves working in less than ideal lighting situations. Not to mention the dual native ISO, this feature truly sets the Tiny 2 apart. It excels in both well-lit environments and at night, eliminating the need for external lighting setups. This is a game changer for those of us who value versatility. Additionally, Tiny 2 can also record HDR videos, ensuring great video quality, free from motion blur, and with impressive dynamic range, making the overall output look more professional. On top of that, we found the autofocus lightning fast, focusing in just 0.3 seconds. This ensures users stay always in sharp focus during live streaming, no matter their movements. The beauty mode, on the other hand, may not be essential, but it offers real-time enhancements for a more polished appearance on camera. It's a nice touch for those who want to look the best in front of the camera. And thanks to its USB 3.0 interface, video transmission speed from one device to another was really satisfying. When it comes to usability, OBSBOT Tiny 2 offered a wide range of features that are tailor-made for streamers and content creators such as us. First, we found the auto tracking with auto zoom feature incredibly useful. Thanks to its AI capabilities, the camera intelligently tracks subjects and adjusts zoom levels as needed. This is pretty helpful for solo content creators, as it ensures the perfect frame adjustment. Then comes its seamless voice control, which allows us to instruct the camera to perform various actions, such as tracking or zooming in, making it incredibly convenient during live streams. On top of that, this webcam managed to take it a step further by including OBSBOT's Gesture Control 2.0, which is pretty impressive. It allowed us to control the camera's movements with a simple hand wave. This could add an interactive dimension for streamers to engage with the audience in a whole new way. Just like this gesture control, this camera also has a hand tracking capability, which is an exciting addition. So it's not just the face Tiny 2 can track, it also follows the hand movements. This feature seemed pretty handy for DIY streaming. Zone tracking is another great feature that makes it perfect for streaming any kind of online activity or presentation. For instance, it will stop tracking you when you enter a specific zone and automatically resume tracking when you leave, ensuring a smooth and professional presentation. Also, automatic frame adjustment is a feature that we particularly appreciated during group meetings or live broadcasts with multiple participants. The camera automatically adjusts its framing to fit the number of people in the shot, making it ideal for diverse scenarios. Desk mode, on the other hand, was a pretty useful one as well. It bends and crops the image automatically, ensuring the best view for the audience. Additionally, the whiteboard mode is used in conjunction with the remote controller, so there's that. Similar to desk mode, the camera automatically crops the frame, making it effortless for viewers to follow. And if you're worried about privacy, then there's privacy, a thoughtful feature that streamers can make use of. It also allows users to preset a video or image for when the camera is in privacy mode. It could turn out to be really useful for those moments when streamers will need to step away from the camera for a while, leaving them a message or entertaining viewers during their absence. For audio, the integrated dual omnidirectional microphone did a pretty good job ensuring crisp and clear sound while testing. Here's a little demonstration. The sound you are hearing right now is recorded using the Tiny 2's microphone. As you have heard, you can easily rely on the built-in mic. Overall, the OBSBOT webcam app provides more advanced control, allowing users to fine-tune settings and make the most of the camera's features. While the camera is impressive on its own, the app adds an extra layer of customization. All the features that we've talked about earlier are also manually accessible through the remote, which you can get with the remote combo pack. The OBSBOT Tiny 2 PTZ is definitely a great camera for streaming and other video activities. Its AI capabilities, 4K resolution, and a multitude of features make it a versatile and powerful tool for content creators. Solo content, presentations, or interacting with the audience in real time. In every test, the OBSBOT Tiny 2 definitely brought us the best experience. It is really easy to use, and its advanced features such as gesture control and voice commands set it apart among some of the best webcams in the market. If you're serious about improving your streaming setup and providing your audience with top-notch visuals and sound, the OBSBOT Tiny 2 is an investment worth making.